Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana. We are now on week 7 of our master bath reno and we're getting closer to being wrapped up. So let me show you what happened today. So first of all, over here on the closet side, we finally have our little bench and I just love how it turned out. We have an open area under the bench because we have heating behind there, so I didn't want to close it off, so that's why it's open and not a traditional kind of window seat bench box that opens up. It's just already open underneath. And then this bench is about 20 inches wide here because I'm going to add a cushion. I have to purchase that, and then I'm going to have throw cushions in the back. So I love the way it came out. It will also be painted white to match the trim. That has yet still to come. And then over here in the bathroom, we have mirrors. These are our little medicine cabinet mirrors, and they open up and they will have electricity on the inside, and that's why we still have tape on them. We just are still protecting them while there's still work around here. But they're gonna have shelves, and those will be added after the electrical is coming in, and the electrical will go right down in the bottom. So I'll show you these when they're completely finished, just so you can see them on the inside. But his and hers medicine cabinets are really cool. And then down here, we added the handles today. I don't know if you can see that. I just love the little finishing detail on here. It's just super nice. The handles are really sturdy. I wanted them to be fairly low profile because we have a pretty skinny area here in between the wall and the vanity. So I wanted to make sure that these didn't stick out too far. And also I wanted them not to have anything that stuck out on the end right here, because you can sometimes catch your clothing on it if you're walking away too fast, or towels or whatever. I just didn't want them to stick out. And now, since I can open them more easily, I'm going to show you what they look like on the inside. We've got drawers and they go around the sink. So I love that. I wanted drawers because I find they're easier than cupboards. And so I'll get some organizers in here so things don't slip around this big area here. But I just love this. This is a Kohler vanity, and yeah. So that got accomplished today. Now the one thing that's still missing, the big thing that's still missing, is electrical. So the fan still has to go in, the lights, all the switches, electrical outlets, those are still yet to come. So we're just waiting on that. I'm not actually sure when that is going to take place. So the last big thing here is electrical, some paint touch-ups. There's a couple other plumbing things that need to be finished off, and then the contractor will be done with the bathroom. For me though, there will still be some things that need to get done, like the shower door, fixing the hardwood area, the threshold area. I need to order a bench cushion, throw pillows. On Wednesday, we're having someone to come measure our windows for new blinds. I don't know if you noticed, after the paint was done, the blinds are now gone. I decided that they really needed a little bit of a facelift because they were looking a little dingy and yellow, and I had already moved the blinds off the window in the bathroom. So we're gonna get some new window treatments in here just to upgrade everything. So that still needs to be done. And then mid-November, we are getting our closet organizers installed. So as things, I'll give you an update when there's anything big, like once the electrical's done. And then as other things progress, I will show you. I'll do probably at least one final video where I show everything that was upgraded in here, but it's probably, we're looking at the end of November before all of that is finally done. So thanks so much for sticking with me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Have a good evening, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.